Happy Sunday, everyone. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell properties here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or send me a DM on social media at CD Selling St. Pete. Today, I want to talk about one of the most exciting properties that hit the market yesterday, and it's particularly focused at investors. This is a beautiful two-story complex with 4 condominiums, 2 on each floor, and each condo is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This property sits in Indian Rocks Beach and is being listed with Premier Sotheby's International Realty, and Michael Perez is their listing agent. One of the benefits of many of this property is that it's on the beach. You're literally 200 feet away from the shoreline. It's a 50 by 250 lot, 50 foot by 250 foot lot. And across the street from the property, you have 4 boat slips on your private docks. So this is an exciting opportunity, and there's no HOA in this community, and there are no rental restrictions. So you're free as an investor to list it on Airbnb or Vrbo, or take long-term or short-term listings, weekends, etc. It's a wonderful location. Indian Rocks Beach is my family's favorite beach to visit here in the Gulf Coast. And if you'd like to have more conversations about this, I'd be happy to get you in touch with the listing agent to talk about some options. So once again, this is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker. And I'd like to talk to you about this property and others here on the Gulf Coast. 727-303-1521 or CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.